The man from far east. The whole team is live inside the studio this evening. We have here DJ Matches, Ras Kenny, and the next person, I don't know his name, but we know he's responsible for the promotion of Soca Frenzy team, is live here inside the studio. Good evening to the entire team. What's good, gentlemen?
Good evening, London.
Good evening, one and all.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what's the team now? Who's the team now? Talk to me.
Well, the original team the original promoters is myself and Matches and one of the fella called Shaker.
Yeah.
But we like one family, so the whole team coming like one family still, but yeah.
Yeah. And this gentleman to the left is?
The boy boss.
Is
Dan Sole. I play in the Creole room at Soca Frenzy.
okay.
So specializing in Lucian Soca called it's now they got the label called the Denry segment.
Okay.
And also Dominican Soca, which is called Bouillon.
Okay.
Touching in a little bit of French dancehall as well.
You are the perfect person I needed in the studio
Okay.
because I am so confused when they come on to soca music. No disrespect.
Mm-hmm.
I like soca music, but to me, I just want to dance when I hear soca music. So I don't know where the songs are from.
Okay.
I don't know which country sing them.
Yeah.
It's one of the big. As I recently went to a party called Dancehall versus Soca, and that's how, cause they were kind of clashing, and they was saying like 246, and I'm kind of getting like that means a country. We never really know where I go on this, so it's like a college me go.
The area code.
Yeah, and me like it. I mean, I tell Dragon, say Dragon, me need to go up on a little dancehall versus soca something, cause
Dancehall I represent.
yeah, we know we are gonna represent dancehall, but soca bad. Cause soca me never understand say it have like sub layers, and because my son like me want to eat that now. Me should have know that.
You know what?
No, but me I thought me I be honest. Me never understand say the music. So I go dance. I'll have the gangster side. You have the storytelling side, and then you have the culture side. Soca have that in it too. And I recently me just realize I find out about that. So I'm grateful. So you're there and you go straight little light on it.
No,
DJ is matches. You was at one of the clash them. I'm sure you did at one of the clash them.
Yeah, depends where what venue.
Brixton.
Yes, electric.
I knew where they did that one. Cause I knew I remember the name though. And yes. So this event now, Soca Frenzy has been going on for how many years now?
11 years.
11 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who came up? What was the reason for the movement?
Well, we had a dancehall event called Out and Bashi,
Yeah.
and it did get a weird out that we couldn't control it. Meaning that we couldn't control the crowd, cause hardcore dancehall crowd kind of difficult to control, especially when it comes to time when the party fi done and them vibes that they don't want to go home.
You have problem that.
You have problem. So it was either kill the party
Yeah.
or come up with something else. So Matches the brain
Yeah.
said, let me keep a soca party,
Yeah.
and him come up with a name just like that.
So Matches is responsible for coming up with the Soca Frenzy.
Yes, that's right.
You need to own a title, you know.
Nah, man, you have to give, man.
You need to own the title as the man. So if you heard it here first time, Matches is responsible for the name. So
Before we go any further, like where each of you guys are from, where everybody's from.
Okay, I'm from Montserrat.
Montserrat too.
Montserrat.
UK. My family from St. Lucia.
Like St. Lucia, so it's like a
Mixture.
mixture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
The whole
nobody have
team.
no dancehall heritage in them.
The whole team mixture.
The whole team is mixed. You
But-
have people from Trinidad, St. Vincent, Dominica, Antigua.
Okay.
But my thing was dancehall first.
Yeah,
So
but
we had to learn soca music.
yeah.
you have to learn soca music from Montserrat.
I'm Montserrat because but my thing was
And
dancehall.
uno deal with soca music in Montserrat as well.
Yeah.
So-
But me always prefer dancehall as well.
Okay, because like I realize like in Trinidad and most of these other Caribbean islands, they rather play dancehall music most of the year than soca. Like soca do play, but it's dancehall music is the predominant music that play on a day-to-day basis on radio.
No.
in most
not-
of them.
Well, me can't speak for every Caribbean island, but like back home,
Yeah.
it's more soca player.
What like all year round?
On the radio, yeah.
I never been to Montserrat.
Why
but
be,
like,
you'll get like somebody young DJs that will come in at the evening and they give you that dancehall flavor. But throughout the day, it's more soca music.
so is
And
so
calypso.
it's a soca and you got the slow stuff. What they kind of call this slow soca music? What?
Calypso.
No, not calypso. You have a next genre of similar to soca.
When you see the thing here is right that
It's
when it
just
comes
like a
to
spin-off
soca,
genre.
When it comes to soca, people get confused. They just think about the fast, they think
Nah.
about the fast beat. But you also have a slow side, a groovy side to soca.
Yeah,
as well.
that's what I'm talking. I can't remember the exact name, but I know just like we have a spin-off, or like we have reggae music, we have dancehall, and it's like it's not the hardcore soca that everybody used to come to the carnival and see at the raves. So if you could just briefly explain what's that movement, what that culture is all about, what get that spin-off made they decide to create that genre.
What the groovy part is,
Yeah.
But it's always been there. It just get highlighted now, but that groovy soca always been there.
Because
From the days of Arrow, hot, that groovy melody always been there.
yeah, but that's kind of like a different part, because you're talking
No,
about
but
like
I
some of the
think more-
pioneer.
I think more now you're thinking more along the lines of like the Denry and the
Yeah.
Bashment soca
Okay,
that come out of Barbados.
yeah.
Cause that's more like the young people vibe. The Bashment soca now is more like the young. And
Is-
again, that's been there all the time.
Yeah.
So it's not something that's just new. It's been there all the time.
Because like I just run into that kind of soca music. Like to me, it sound a bit not really different, but it sound a bit like more relaxing to listen to. Like your hardcore soca, you can't listen to your yard and just sit down on the couch and relax. You make you want to jump out your chair and wave and flag and mash up your house and go on badness, you know.
But what you have to understand, soca has different
It's
sections.
it's the same thing, man.
Different sections, you know what I mean? You have your love section. You have your section where people want to tell you about social commentary.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It breaks down different layers. So you have a jump on wave, just like you were saying. You know?
Alright, so we're gonna focus back on Soca Frenzy, and then you're gonna get your little half an hour to explain to all the viewers about the different layers in the soca music when you're juggling some song.
Right.
So anyway, what can I expect at Soca Frenzy?
Well, Soca Frenzy, you have 3 different rooms.
Yeah.
You have the dancehall. Well, I shouldn't say dancehall. You have the mix and blend room at the very top, where dancehall, R&B, everything get
Anything
played,
goes.
except soca music. You have the Boya room. That's just French, Creole, Lucian music. And then you have the main arena. That's the soca music. 100% soca, 100% vibe, 100% energy.
So to be honest, I've been to quite a few soca fete, but every time I go to a soca fete, is always a bit of bashment in it. Why is that?
Because you can't have 1,000 people in a venue and just be on a high level of one genre all the time. They're gonna get tired.
We get tired of it.
So you have to try to mix it up,
But
keep it interesting.
what makes Soca Frenzy work, though? What makes it work? Because it's been consistent for many years. Since I come to England, it's always been on. What do you think that makes Soca Frenzy work?
Well, each of us will have different views.
Mm.
My view to that, the matches will have a different view to me, and then so will have a different view to me. But my view to that is that Frenzy attract over the years different type of people, different nationalities, different age group. So you'll hardly get the same people coming every month. Because people come, they tell people, and they go, and somebody else want to come. So it's always a change of people.
Yeah. I realize that for true.
And you have, as I explained, you have 3 different type of vibe in there. So you can't be bored.
You can't be bored.
So quick plug for Soca Frenzy. Who are the DJ we could expect in the main arena on
What?
Soca Frenzy?
The soca DJs?
Yeah.
The top soca DJs in the UK.
Okay, so,
So
it's
this-
no specific names.
Well, I will name them out.
Yeah.
You have DJ Shaker, DJ Tate, DJ
Yeah.
Bones, Triple M. You have myself, DJ Matches. You have Amani HD. You also
Yeah.
have DJ Flex. You know, and that's like 6 different islands right there.
Yeah.
You know, and everybody coming with their flavor and their vibe.
So this Friday Soca Frenzy, what can we expect there?
Same up tempo, same energy. You know, Carnival is around the corner. So we are really gearing up everyone for Carnival. So you have to be prepared. We're preparing you for Carnival, basically. As you know, Nottingham Carnival is next month.
Yes.
I think it's the second to last weekend
of
the month.
August.
Yeah, in August. And right now, is a lot of pre-Carnival events taking place. So basically, we are getting you in gear just for that.
Okay. And where can we get tickets?
Tickets, you can get tickets from SocaFrenzy.com.
Okay, you have the own website.
We have our website,
We
yes.
have our own website.
Okay, that makes sense. And Mr. Gentleman over here, how tell us about your socials. How can we find you and find you online?
On all the socials under Dan Sole.
Dan Sole.
Yeah.
And Rasta Kenny, is it you know about you just say I know, but they don't know.
All the socials are Rasta Kenny.
Rasta Kenny. And this is
DJ Matches, all the socials at DJ Matches UK.
okay. So what we're gonna do right now, time is fastly approaching us, and we needed to give you some time to express yourself musically. So we're gonna turn the music all over to you, so you control the show right now. So people, remember the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Prince, and also by
It brings to you by Royal Mag Entertainment. So people, stick and stay right now. We will mash up on the house a little bit.
Yeah.
So DJ Matches, like we just mash up some furniture.
All right.
And he said, Book of Haters, chapter 1 verses 3. Thou shalt not hate on thy brothers and sisters.
Starting off from Antigua right now, Zamoni.
Sanctify, bless who sanctify, purge who sanctify, dash the water sanctify, bless who sanctify, purge who sanctify, bless. And he said, in the book of Haters, chapter 1 verses 3, thou shalt not hate on thy brothers and sisters. If they do, purge them out. Sanctify, bless who sanctify, purge who sanctify, dash the water sanctify, bless who sanctify, purge who sanctify, bless who sanctify, dash the water sanctify. Everybody jam up at the back of the truck, liquor deliver us. Let me just bring you the vibe, only reference with us, no enemies with us. Water behind the truck, together we bring you the vibe. Make my nest amplify, and my vibe purify. When them don't sanctify, then we create a vibe. When no, who, someone, you, tell them, jump behind the truck. Dash the water sanctify, we don't want no bad my vibe. Dash the water sanctify, we don't want no bad my vibe. If you want to feel alive, come down in the wet down vibe. Dash the water sanctify, we don't want no bad my vibe. Water away, wet them, water away, wet them, water away, wet them. Dash the water sanctify, water away, wet them, water away, wet them, water away, wet them. Dash the water sanctify. We like it, we like it, we like it. One them enough, one them enough. We coming with a brand new street and do. This one a feed the thugs and the girl do. Tell them already, me nah go tell them again, Lord. Watch me good, we in your face with a difference that's how we. Yeah! Don't hear you feel when you get pics like you're stupid. After we did, you better listen.
Right now it's still in Antigua. This is T.N. Winters.
Now why we mash up St. John's. Them now why we bun down road. Them a beg we cool, just stay calm. Tell them we no for the room, we gon' do it in your face. Water pills and powder, dash it anywhere. If you want to wink up in the face. Make a mess like this and make we run them out the place. Tell them get out of the way. Cause we up in your face. We do it in no shame. We up in your
actually moved out of Antigua. Now we're flying straight into Dominica. Hey, Sabanton.
Everything we drinking was made with water. And every human being they came from water. I know you hold in your head and saying I'm pissed. But before the baby born the water back, I am the wet fed king. Wet on everything, I am the wet fed king. Spring-a-ling-a-ling, I am the wet fed king. Wet on everything, I am the wet fed king. Spring-a-ling-a-ling.
Absolutely one of the biggest rhythms going right now. Courtesy of Mr. Killer. I must give him that.
Hey, hey, hey. The girl them don't play no waves if they know your big song. The DJ don't want no play if it's not a big song.
Let me take this opportunity to big shout to all those who's from the Caribbean, flying the Caribbean flag, no matter where you're from. Big up, big up.
Them don't want you no tune if they tune little. Them don't want no you no tune. like bicycle. And if you low down on the ground, then riding like tricycle. All between the friends. Can one wine and run the body and the friends. Throw your body and your leg up on your friends. Carry your gun, throw your body and your friends. Throw it back up on your friends. After the vendor back out, after the players full, after the speakers stack up, promoter played full. Some artists have some big song, but them afraid to go and perform. They say that the crowd don't know that one. How you gonna know when the tune them big?
Hello, hi. Hello, hi.
This is one of them songs that's gonna cause big trouble this carnival season.
Hello.
Definitely big problems this carnival season.
Hello, hi. Me and my friend, Mr.
I mean, Rick, do you want your studio mash up now? Do you want your studio tear up now?
Static. I had some stress, so I take some shots.
Anna.
With the amount of thick, when it does the spot. I heard a voice talking in my head. He said, go to the bed, you can't go to your bed. So I said, who is talking there and where you from? The voice tell me, my name is Mr. Wrong. You hear the iron, that means stop. Don't let nobody style you. Mash it up flat, tell me hello, hi.
The bad song is a matter about me. When that song I drop, people listen. That song cause problem, right? So we want to say our goodbyes right now. Good evening to everyone that's just joining us. This is the Upnlive show every Tuesday right here live on TGM Radio. We're out the building. Thanks to everybody that take part this evening on the show. Thanks to Sky the Limit and the Fresh was here. And right now we're listening to the sounds of the Soca Frenzy. The DJ Matches here, Grass Kenny as well, right? Peace until next week. See you same place, same time. Dragon in the last one before we cut out here, or you stay up there.
One mass up in house, I'm waiting though. See you next week.
Keep it locked, Soca Frenzy live here. Keep it locked right here.
Hello, hi.
I dare you to pick up the girl. I dare you to pick up the girl.
Is here to
I dare you pick up the brown rasta and run with that to the studio. I dare you. I dare you.
static. I had some stress.
I dare you.
Take some shots.
Andrew, wait for this, yeah. Andrew, wait for this, yeah. I dare you. Pick up the brown rasta and run with her. Pick up the brown rasta and run with her. I dare you.
So I said, who is talking and where you from? The voice tell me, my name is Mr. Wrong. You hear the iron? That means it's stop. Don't let nobody style you. Mash it down flat. Tell me pick up something, anything. From
I dare you. I dare you. Pick up the brown rasta.
anything.
I dare you. Pick up the brown rasta. I dare you. I dare you. 1, 2. Grab her. Pick her up. Pick her up.
Run with it. Run with it. Run with it. Pick up something, start to run with it. Run with it.
No, sir.
Run with it. Just run with it. Pick up something, start to run with it. Boy, yo, boy, yo, boy, yo, yo, yo. Party wash up. Boy, yo, boy, yo, yo, yo. Party wash up. Boy, yo, boy, yo, boy, yo, yo, yo. Party wash up. Boy, yo, boy, yo, yo, yo.
Move. Yes. You wanna have fun? Then move your sock. You do like soca. Then what you doing here? You don't know when jab drink rum. We do not care. Cause the life of the party is in our hands. But the rum say don't worry. Cause I am Superman.
All the cheer pick up.
All my haters.
Camera pick up.
Duck you.
Garbage bin, pick up the garbage bin, same here. Pick up something.
Pick up something.
Pick up something.
Anything. From them me to grab
Pick up
something.
all the headphones.
Anything.
All the
Pick
desks.
up something.
Some of them microphone, you take them up too.
Grab something.
After 3, start run with it. Run with it.
Run with it. Pick up something, start to run with it. Run with it. Run with it. Pick up something, start to run with it.
Let's be sure to the Upnlive show for having us. Definitely. Rick, I like the vibe.
So when you see it, the party start. No matter what rum, we drinking that. Not even fence could tell me go back. Cause the rum tell me do take check, so I flatten in that.
Here comes the next banger for this carnival season. Viking! Cause when we roll, we don't roll alone. Once a big show goes to the whole frenzy team, the whole family.
I'm moving every with me family. With me family. When we come to we mash up, turn up, dance with like a hammer.
So everybody,
Jump it up together, jump it up together, mash it up together, mash it up together,
of those energetic tracks, I'm telling you. This carnival is going to be turned over.
If you're not family, show me your hand, please run away. Come follow me, cause technically all the way is way. Well, let me tell you one time, family is family and not different from bloodline. Some say them is blood, but them don't want to see the sunshine. Family don't ever afraid to have your back at all time. Tell them I'm the friend. We're fronting with we family. With me family. When we come together, we mash up and turn up dance me like a hammer. Everybody jump it up together, jump it up together, mash it up together, mash it up together, wave it up together, wave it up together, jump it up together. People see skin, double them. We see power, Khaled. We are serious, yeah. Skin is fabulous, we see brother moving around.
Now roll your move it on, tap your move it on, tick tock your move it on.
I'm telling you, pure vibes. Right now we have Donna Soleil in the mix.
Drop your move it on, now roll your move it on, tap your move it on, tick tock your move it on. Shake up your move it on. The girl can never diss you. That's one thing your mother give you. The people man cannot leave you, cause it tight, fat and sweet too. Mazzy happy super melee, cause you know your money then pay. Pat your thing and call your man Ray, if you know you from Ansari. Find your move it on, stick your move it on, juke your move it on, drop your move it on. Now roll your move it on, clap your move it on, tick tock your move it on. Shake
I'll
up
tell you,
your move
Soca
it
Frenzy
on.
this Friday.
Your move it on.
Get your tickets now, right? SocaFrenzy.com.
Move it on.
It's gonna be absolute blast, alright?
Now roll your move it on, clap your move it on, tick tock your
It's the
move it
summer
on.
thing.
Shake up
So bring out your summer wear.
Anytime you whine, 10 out of 10. Show them you better than 10 hammy men. Make both punch fight, why you one can. Show them you better than 10 hammy men. Anytime you whine, 10 out of 10. Show them you better than 10 hammy men. Make both punch fight, why you one can. Show them you better than 10 hammy men. Me touch your move it on, let me see your move it on. Let me hug, kiss, touch, squeeze and lick your move it on. Can never diss you, that's why your mother give you. The people man cannot leave you, cause it like y'all bend down for the
I'm telling you, this coming Friday is gonna be absolute blast. It's gonna be a mass.
When you whine is that I like Papa goes in fight, okay. Rolling day and night, move that side to side, move that left to right. You could be black or white. You have a Coca-Cola shape, but girl you taste like Sprite. Okay. When I give you the that make you say. When you think they sing so good, you looking at me and say.
Everybody, this coming Friday is all about Soca Frenzy. And guys, remember us to never invite Soca Frenzy back inside the studio. They want to mash up the place. Never invite them back. They want to mash up the studio. Soca Frenzy, thanks for coming through. Big up yourself, Ras Kenny. DJ Matches, you're done with. And so, blessings. This Friday, Soca Frenzy people, represent where your flag from. Bring your flag, bring your whistle, bring your bubuzela horn, whatever you wanna bring. Bring your girlfriend, bring your side girl, whatever you wanna bring. Soca Frenzy this Friday. I tell you, boy, gonna be crazy.
This is TGM Radio UK. Simply good music.